Welcome to everyone. In this video, we try to more information about top 5 portable outdoor generators. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. So easily find your best product. We just try to help find your best one. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Champion 3500 Watt. Start and stop with ease from up to 80 feet away. Push button power and convenience like never before. Trust the reliable 196 cubic centimeters Champion engine. At 4000 starting watts and 3500 running watts. 3-year limited warranty. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 4. Generac 7117. Economy mode provides excellent fuel economy. LED status lights alerts. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 3. WEN 56310 IRV. 212 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine produces 3100 surge watts and 2800 rated watts. Great for RVs, campgrounds, the country, tailgating and power outages. Extremely quiet operation minimizes noise, EPA 3 and CARB compliant. Produces clean power to prevent damage to sensitive. 2-year warranty. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 2. Briggs & Stratton 30679. Start and stop with ease from up to 80 feet away. Briggs & Stratton 2100 series OHV 420 cubic centimeters engine for long life. High performance and great fuel efficiency. Multi-featured control panel with circuit breaker protection includes 7.5-gallon metal fuel tank, allows 9 hours runtime. Please check out the description for details and update price. Number 1. Honda EU 2000i. Built-in 30A outlet for easy parallel capability with another EU 2000i. Inverter, stable power for sensitive equipment and electronics. Ideal for TV/DVD, satellite, fridge, coffee pot, and more. Super quiet operation. 2000 watts, 120V. Please check out the description for details and update price.